Well, gents, let's get to your stock picks. JP, where are you finding value today?
I'm finding value in a real estate company that is domiciled in Malta but is listed on the JSE, Mas PLC. And it's been in the news because there's a bit of a tussle between some institutional shareholders and a group headed by Martin Slobbert, Prime Capital, who's also the controlling partner in the development joint venture that Mas PLC has with Prime Capital. And Mr. Slobbert is offering to buy shares from people at just under 29 Rand. And I think that will align the interests of him and external shareholders. So I expect the value unlock strategy to be followed the next 18 months. And the trick here is we have a lot of very astute, shrewd entrepreneurs in our local property sector. And the golden rule is also always make sure you're sitting on their side of the table, not the other side of the table. And I think with the latest transactions and what will happen from here on out the next 18 months, for the first time in a long while, minority shareholders in Mas will sit on the same side of the table to Martin Slobbert. And that's why I think that current prices with this value unlock strategy the next 18 months, you can do very well with Mas PLC shares.
All right. Alex, your stock pick for today.
Yeah, so going for AdvTech. I'm going to give a trading statement today. I think pretty much in line with what we were expecting. We'll have to wait for the detailed results, but I think this company, if they can continue to generate, call it earnings next to 10% over the medium term, is very well positioned. Share price hasn't done much this year. One of the large shareholders, of course, have been selling. They continue to do acquisitions in, that selling also stopped. So I think that's going to help a little bit going forward. But they've also doing acquisitions in East Africa. And if you look at the margins there, it's quite well. So it seems like that capital allocation strategy is working. So we are, of course, optimistic. We think it's one of the few structural growth stories in South Africa, irrespective of what the economy is doing at the moment. So an evaluation we think is fair as well. So we like AdvTech at current levels.
Well, gents, thank you so much for educating us today. Really appreciate it. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Jean Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Alex Duys from Umthombo Wealth. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.
Thank you.